Okay, real talk, guys. When was the last time you have changed your cabin air filter? If you're like most people, probably never. So, but guess what? This little guy here is the reason why your car's air doesn't smell like old fries and pollen. Let's fix that. Now, every time you turn on your AC, air rushes in from outside. Without a good filter, you're breathing in all of that junk. Sneezing, musty smells, weak airflow. Yep, your filter's begging for help. This is your car lungs. If it looks like this, it's basically suffocating. Meet the WIX Cabin Filter, your upgrade to cleaner air. It's got layers like a fancy sandwich, trapping dust, pollen, even exhaust smoke. And swapping it? It's easier than changing a light bulb. No more sniffles, no more what's that smell, just clean air. Since WIX fits most of the cars, there's no excuse, and your nose will thank you. Check your filter. If it's gross, just grab a WIX. Link in the description. Stay fresh, drivers. Bye.